Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable resuming cleanup on your XIAOMI Robot Vacuum 5. If your robot stops cleaning, for example, because the battery is near to die, or it needs to refill the water tank or empty the dustbin, then you can basically adjust the setting, whether or not you want it to resume after it pauses in the middle of the cleanup. And to do that, go to three dots in top right corner and you'll find cleanup resumption. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.